Hello friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Ciracle from Jeju Volcanic Pore Tightening Mask 21 grams which I bought for $4. It claims that it tightens pores and offers deep hydration and nutrients to skin. It is said to be free from parabens, mineral oils and other substances that can irritate your skin. This mask is said to benefit in pore cleansing, sebum control plus moisturizing. It is surely for oily skin, I must say. If you look at the back side, there are no English instructions whatsoever. This mask has volcanic seawater from Jeju which is rich in minerals and nutrients. The actual sheet mask is made with powder Binchon-tan charcoal from Kyushu, Japan, which is known as the highest quality activated charcoal and is used to remove toxins in your skin. The Binchon-tan thread is woven into the sheet so it releases far infrared light. Now let's look at the condition of my skin. Because I have dry skin, acne scars, large pores and some fine lines on my forehead. So let's check the moisture levels of my skin. Here you can see I have 60% moisture and 19% is my oil level. My skin is happy skin already. So to use this mask, you need to cleanse your face first. I'm using my favorite Cosrx salicylic acid cleanser that fights blackheads too. So after you have cleansed, pat in the entire water in your skin. Once your skin is on the dry side, apply the mask on the face. Now as I'm opening the packet, some of the essence flew out of the packet. See in slow-mo. Well, there is a mild scent of this mask that is like fresh sea breeze or of an ocean, which is very refreshing. Now here the black mask is. The black color is due to the Binchon-tan coal. As I unfold the mask, there is some thick white solution on some areas resting on the mask which looks so gross. It is not pleasant to see. You can see my expressions. Now let's apply the mask on the face. The mask is pitch black which looks little scary. The mask fit is amazing on my face. Now I have dry skin, so let's see how it will perform on it. Now we are supposed to keep this mask on our face for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll be back. So guys, after 20 minutes, the entire mask has dried on my face. It has lifted from various places as you can see, but it is still intact on my forehead. Now, after drying, this mask looks more black. Now let's remove the mask. My skin feels nourished. I must say that for dry skin, this mask itself is not enough, but that is not a negative point. This mask has little holes on the sheet mask. As you can see, maybe this is for the ingredients, I guess, so that it will perform better, I guess. Now let's pat in the remaining essence on our skin. So guys, my pores look smaller to me. What do you guys think? Now let's take a closer look. My pores actually did tighten. About my blackheads, it didn't did much for it, but my skin looks good. Of course, this mask is for oily skin people. I will suggest that drier skin types should not use it in winters especially. My skin feels soft too. As a mask, I will rate it 4 by 5 and I might not repurchase it if I need something that will work for blackheads, but for pores, yes I will.